owned by Megaworld. So currently we are here. This is our showroom po. Second floor po niya. So across that is Uptown Mall.
Yun, oo.
Yes. And then our first project was Uptown Residences. One Uptown Residences. So we
And it
launched
has
that.
been turned over na.
Yes po. We launched this 2013, not 2014. And then the next, Uptown Ritz. So Uptown Ritz consist of 2 bedrooms and up. 2 bedroom, 3 bedrooms. We don't have 1 bedroom here. And then Park Suites, Tower 1 and Tower 2. For this one, ito po yung malakas for Airbnb. Because we have 1 bedroom units.
Galing yung style niyo. Oh.
Yes. And then sa baba po
Hawaii.
niyan, currently may landers po tayo dyan. Yan po yung landers natin.
I was there 2 weeks ago. I am so amazed with the amenities and the facilities. Wonderful. First time ko nakapasok 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. And the Airbnb rates starts about 2,500 to 3,500. So maganda po talaga siyang investment. Yes.
Kasi may nakatira na dyan, no, sir?
Yes po. And then, but again, pre-selling siya. So you have to bank all the future kasi talaga. When we launched this one, ang unit lang niya, magkano lang? 4 million? 4-5 million lang. And then now, 13 million.
Wow.
So yung ilalunch ngayong September, sir, 1BR?
We have a studio. We have the studio. We
So
have,
ilang square meter yun, sir?
it's about,
Probably mga
34 to 40.
34. So pong mga magkano yun?
Nasa around 18 million.
18 million.
Because, starting
parang
po
yun
natin sa
dito
about
sa sa Mackenzie.
Are you referring to the one for Uptown Modern, sir?
Uptown Modern,
Sir,
yes.
question lang, just to
Yes.
clarify. Uptown Arts is the triangular area here, right?
No, this one po.
This one na siya mismo.
Yes.
So Uptown Modern will
Is this
be...
one.
This one.
Apo.
Okay.
So this
Thank
one
you.
siya.
Thank you for clarifying. Okay.
So, but we don't have the full details yet. So, but we already saw the presentation, but we're finalizing pa po.
Wow.
Yes.
Looking forward kami sa...
Yes. Hopefully talagang maraming benta po tayo.
Oo nga,
Kasi na-sold out po ang Uptown Arts.
Wala.
Napakamahal po.
Tumapat
350
pa
to
nung pandemic.
375. Tapos
Pandemic
Kahit
pa yun,
pandemic time
But
walang...
sold out siya. So, we just need to get qualified clients po talaga. And then again, 15.4 hectares. This one is the headquarters of JP Morgan, which is on the... Ito na po siya. As you can see po, this one. And po.
Ayan.
Yeah, one. So, mainit lang po kasi maganda sana maglakad-lakad tayo pati.
Oo.
During the
yes,
afternoon
sir.
po, you can.
Oo, sir.
And then,
Para maikat.
yes po. And then this is the Uptown Mall. So this is the headquarters of Megaworld. And Megaworld is under Alliance Global Inc., which is the mother company of Megaworld. So under AGI, Megaworld, Emperador, Fundador, McDonald's.
So ito na yung
Empire East.
headquarters. Wala na sa Makati.
Wala na po. Since 2016 po, dito na po sila.
Lumipat na.
Yes, this is the head office po ng Megaworld. So, mostly this one are offices. So, for lease naman siya. And then, this is for lease as well. And this one, hindi po na-update na, office building din po siya. This side. Yes. So, this one is Uptown Arts. Already sold out.
Oh.
So, this is facing the 8th Ave, which is the Federal Land Development. So this one po, ang ating Park Suites. So Uptown Park Suite Tower 2, Tower 1, Ritz, and then Uptown, one Uptown. Yes, pag ganun po siya.
Pag ganun siya.
So that's this area, sir, no? So
Yes.
in terms of orientation, ano? So
Apo, this
ito na yung
one,
katapat niya.
Apo. And
Oo.
then on that side, this is 9th Ave, which is
ito?
Yes po. Dito, this one
Ay,
is
sorry.
9th Ave, this is
Ito
8th
yun.
Ave.
Okay.
So 9th Ave is on this side. So dito na po ang Uptown Mall. This is facing 9th Ave, which is facing siya ng JP Morgan.
Oo, ito. Oo nga, sir. Ito.
Ako. So,
Diagonal kasi
diagonal po siya.
Uptown Mall.
Tapos medyo
No, sir.
triangular kasi yung kanyang lot.
Na-confuse ako dyan initially, all the while I thought Uptown Arts is here because this one is triangular and it
yes,
resembles that one. Na-confuse ako dun
This one kasi
slightly.
is park na siya.
Park na kasi siya,
Apo,
sir,
yung
di ba?
park na.
Kaya meron tayong open area.
Yes, po.
Okay.
Yan siya.
Thank you.
And then, again, the success of Uptown Arts will be also success of Uptown Modern.
Oh, yeah.
So, although price-wise, mas mataas siya, But kaya pa natin.
Tama sir, no, 400,000 per square meter.
Starting from-
That's what we saw from the initial materials na naka-out.
Yes.
But we cannot post it yet on social media.
Yes.
Okay.
So hopefully this week or next week po, ma-launch na po.
Ma-launch na siya.
So we have two-bedroom unit, 83 square meters, 13 square meters of balcony. So this one, so upgraded deliverables, just like our projects in Park McKinley West. Mayroon tayong specific brand for the range hood, the oven, and this one. The induction, Gorinier is the brand. And also, Frank is the same for the sink. Gorinier for the fridge. This is included as well. Yes. For Uptown Arts, it's fully finished still, but with appliances already.
Included yung
Yes,
Okay.
included
Ito
fridge.
yun, like,
Yun
pinaka-section.
pala.
Yes.
It may help.
Yes.
So, mura na pala siya, sir. May inclusion na.
Technically, yes. Villeroy Gorinier for the kitchen appliances, Hacker for the cabinets, Villeroy and Bock for the bathroom fixtures, Frank for the sink, and HDL for the lightings. So, as you can see po yung lightings natin, dito na lang po. Nakaganito na po siya. This one.
It's a smart home and
Yes.
then touch, ano na siya, no?
This one po. So
Same
this
po
one,
ng ano.
naka-touch home na siya. So, ano na po. H by HDL.
HDL.
Yes. It's again painted white, but cabinets are included. The balcony included. Drop ceiling siya, so mas mataas pa yung actual na yun, the ceiling. And then, very modern, very luxurious. And this is the master's bedroom. Again, we have access to the balcony. And this one is just a space, either home office or home gym. Yes.
Kala mo meron, may salamin kasi.
Sir, question as of today, do we still have an inventory left for Uptown Arts? Wala na.
Zero na po.
Wala na tayo.
Wala
no?
talaga.
So literally, like, we only show this just to give potential clients an idea of what potentially Uptown Modern can
Yes.
be.
More.
Because wala nang inventory.
Wala.
Studio 1, 2, BR up, wala na.
Wala na.
Yun na eh. So,
But this one is almost the same size
Yes.
for two-bedroom units in
For Uptown Modern.
Uptown Modern.
Yes.
Because we have the mid-size, which is 75 to 80 something, and then we have the two bedrooms that are
bigger.
like
floors.
135 loft type with lanai. So we have a lot of we had choices for
More options.
Parang
for
for
options pa siya
units.
for that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lang kilo yan.
Thank you.
This one, yes. Actually, this is the bathroom. So again, mayroon na siyang sensor, and all this one is the exact tile. So floor to ceiling po siya. Yes. Villeroy and Bock for the fixtures po. Yes. So very modern.
So, complete finish na siya with
Yes,
appliances, with cabinets. So, livable na siya.
Yes. Except for the
Oo, sulit.
Yes.
Mura na yun, sir, kung 18 million.
18 million for the studio.
Studio.
Studio pa lang yun.
Studio pa
Oo
lang.
nga eh.
Yes. For the two bedrooms is about 54 to 55 million.
Studio, sir, 80 square meter.
Studio is about 34 to 40.
34. Okay.
for
80 for
million.
2 big cars.
Yes. 80, and then we also have the bigger units for two bedrooms. But so, hopefully po pag may nakulit po kayo, let me know.
Yes.
Hindi, ano po, hindi there lang po.
Thank you. So, antayin ko yung photo natin, ah.
Ay, sige po.
Ipopost natin yan.
Salamat po.
Nakapost lagi ang picture.
Very nice po.
Ang Mega World kasi like ever since kahit dati pa like talagang like we come up with very very beautiful like model units, no?
Yes.
So yung mga renders natin magaling.
Magaling talaga.
Magaling.
And to support our creatives as well.
Oo.
yung mga postings for
Magagaling. Even our marketing material, salute. Like, we couldn't ask for more. Kasi everything is like ready. We just
Yes.
have to repost and
Yes.
share.
Yes.
Yes.
So, kailangan talaga,
Ganda.
ano po kayo,
Ganda.
for social media talaga.
Oo nga.
Mm-hmm. Ganito. oh. Mamaya isang video ka pa.
Kitchen.
Kaya lang,